Our goal all along has been to make sure that homelessness is rare, that it's brief, and that it's non-recurring. Is there a better way to do this? And what we found out is that there is. And so the concept behind this is that we will separate those that are experiencing homelessness into different groups so that we can serve them better.
The resource centers are not simply shelters. They are there more as a campus-like facility to provide on-site supportive services to individuals that are staying there. Whether it's housing navigation, employment assistance, life skills, meals, storage, all of those different services are brought on site. That includes medical care through a mobile medical clinic.
You can see behind me, this is the Women's Resource Center, and we're starting to work now hiring people and getting ready to open in the summer for 200 women at this location.
Catholic Community Services is partnering with Shelter the Homeless to operate Paramount Avenue Resource Center.
As we move forward, the opportunity to operate the men's shelter located at 3380 South 10th West in South Salt Lake, working with our partners as to how we will utilize that space to best serve the people who are turning to us.
So here at the St. Vincent Dining Hall, we were going through a massive remodel right now. Once it's done, we'll be able to feed all 3 shelters through a catering service here on property.
And so by doing it that way, we're able to better serve them rather than just have them go out on their own. A case manager can work more closely with them in a way that helps them identify what they need to get them to be self-sufficient.
It is in a good location. There's the Department of Workforce Services is right across the road. It's right off of State Street, good access to public transportation for the women who will stay here with us.
The downtown location for Catholic Community Services is going to stay open. St. Vincent de Paul will still be feeding those people that are experiencing food insecurities 2 meals a day, pretty much every single day of the year. The Wiegand Center, Wiegand Homeless Resource Center, will also be open, providing vital resources to people that are experiencing homelessness and also low-income individuals.
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for us to partner with South Salt Lake City and become a part of that community in a very healthy way.
At present, we have a single facility in downtown Salt Lake serving the homeless population. When the transition of moving the current residents is finalized, we intend to have the current structure demolished and remediate the land. At present, there is a safe space that exists between the downtown shelter and the Wiegand Center. That safe space will be removed, Rio Grande Street, and it will be returned to an operational street for the residents of Salt Lake City.
We want to make sure that we get to the individual, that we get case management to people. And the concept behind having 3 homeless resource centers, they're not just a place to sleep, right? These are a place to give people the resources that they need to get themselves out of homelessness. And that's really our goal. That's what we should be doing. It's best for the individuals and it's best for the people of Utah.